Thank you, Justin. Whew, I, I'm really overwhelmed seeing what's happening in this room today. And I want to welcome you again on behalf of NASSCOM. And a huge privilege to also be welcoming all of you. And I'm sure you'll all have a wonderful day ahead. You know, as I stand here, it's just so wonderful to see this room full of energy, ideas, and an unshakable belief in what we can create together. In the next decade, deep technologies will fundamentally reshape our world, from the way we heal in healthcare to how we power our homes and cities, to the way we build, move, and manufacture. You know, today, India stands at a unique point with three unparalleled advantages: the world's largest pool of technical talent, a thriving innovation ecosystem that's producing breakthroughs at speed, and the scale to design solutions that can serve not just India, but the entire world. With over 5 million software professionals and the highest number of STEM graduates globally, India has evolved from a services powerhouse to a deep tech innovation hub. This is our time and our opportunity to lead. And to accelerate this momentum, our two flagship events, NASSCOM Future Forge, which was very, very popularly known as the NASSCOM Product Conclave for the last 22 years, and NASSCOM Tech Developer Confluence together, complete the innovation ecosystem from the strategic vision to the technical execution. Yesterday, at Future Forge, we set the tone for India's next leap in deep tech. Policymakers, investors, innovators came together to shape the country's deep tech strategy. Conversations spanned quantum, AI convergence, semiconductor breakthroughs, post-quantum cybersecurity, and space defense synergies. AI's transformative role was evident across healthcare, climate tech, biotech, robotics, and smart manufacturing. Discussions immensely focused on deep patient capital models, blending funding and commercialization strategies to unlock innovation at scale. And perhaps most importantly, the spotlight was on talent, as India's most valuable currency, with an emphasis on building interdisciplinary leaders, fostering developer communities, and empowering our deepest minds. The energy yesterday was electric, but today is where we put this vision to work. This is a developer-first platform because the future isn't just dreamt up in boardrooms. It's built here in spaces like this, line by line, prototype by prototype, and solution by solution. So today, bring your curiosity, your code, your creativity, collaborate, experiment, push boundaries, and remember, the work you start today could be the innovation the world relies on tomorrow. As we build out this year, as Justin mentioned, this is our first year of building the Tech Developer Confluence, and this is to celebrate India's unmatched technical force as our greatest strategic asset. By bridging cutting-edge research with implementation excellence, we're strengthening the crucial link between innovation and impact, while further cementing India's position as the world's premium destination for deep tech expertise. India's digital economy is expanding rapidly, with a projected need of nearly 30 million digitally skilled professionals by 2026, while 50% of the existing workforce will require reskilling in emerging technologies. With a talent base exceeding 5.4 million, India is well positioned to lead in high-impact domains such as artificial intelligence, deep tech, semiconductor, cybersecurity. And this growth also calls for urgent attention to evolving skill demands, rapid technology change, and the transformation of traditional workforce models in the era of Gen I. We, as NASSCOM, are committed to ensuring that India's tech talent remains agile, relevant, and future-ready. As the world recalibrates around AI, automation, and emerging technologies, like I also said, from curriculum design to workforce architecture, aligning supply with demand is essential to keep pace. India will continue, and as NASSCOM, we will continue to play a very catalytic role in strengthening India's talent ecosystem, enabling collaboration between industry, academia, government to ensure the workforce remains aligned to global demand, equipped for technological advancement, and prepared to lead India's next phase of digital growth. India is now the headquarters of innovation and not just execution. India's next advantage will be in producing originality. I also like to add that NASSCOM has set up a newly formed talent council to focus on all these parameters. And also to honor each of you in this room, we have also launched the NASSCOM Makers Honor, which recognize engineers, technologists, developers who empower the country's $224 billion tech exports. You'll find more details on this on our website shortly. But before I get off the stage, I'd like to thank each one of you for being here, and a big, big shout out to the NASSCOM team, our event managers, and of course our sponsors, without which this just wouldn't have been a reality. I would like all of you to put your hands together for our sponsors, the NASSCOM team, and our event partners. Thank you so much, and hope you all have a great day ahead. Justin, over to you.